Hi everyone, this is Emily. Today we are going to make a dessert, Pandan Jelly, 斑斓菜燕. We will use agar powder in making this pandan jelly. Here is some information regarding the difference between agar powder and gelatin powder. First, cut the pandan leaves and add some water and blend together. We need the color from the pandan, therefore we need to squeeze out the juice and discard the rest. To make this dessert, it is extremely easy. We need to prepare 6 ingredients, which are water, 4 teaspoons of agar powder, pandan juice, sugar, a little bit of salt, coconut milk or coconut cream. Mix them all together and we are almost done. In order to have an obvious 2 layers, I am using coconut cream. This brand contains 75% of coconut extract. If you use less than this, you will get a shallow green layers. So just bear in mind with this. Next, pour the mixture into a big pot and cook under medium to high heat until it is boiling. After it is boiled, let it keep boiling for another 3 to 4 minutes and turn off the heat. Transfer them onto a mold or a container. Using a spoon or toothpick or a chopstick to get rid of the small bubbles on the top. When it cools down a bit, leave in the fridge and let it cool for 4 hours. After 4 hours, exciting time, let's check out our end product. By looking from the outside, it looks okay and perfect. Wait, hang on! The texture doesn't look right. Why it is so soft? What's wrong with this? Let's turn it back and see what went wrong. Aha, there it is. It is 4 teaspoons, not 4 times half teaspoon. Have to start all over again. The second time, this time looks perfect and then the texture looks exactly what I want. It should be firmer and not the doing texture that we did earlier. If you are free at home, why not making this jelly to make you happier? It is not too sweet and it is very refreshing. Okay, this is Emily. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.